Okay guys, so as you know I'm doing some trading stuff and today result is 3 trades and one trade, this one I was holding from Friday. This is why you can see swap, negative swap anyway, but we made good profit and withdrawal as you can see such amount and profit this amount. So this is results for today. And what I would like to show you is as you know I'm trading gold. So what I can see, I'm not big fan of using indicators, but let me show you something. So for example we can see, so 23 February, yeah. So let's switch it like this, yes. And here we can see First of all, we can see that price is on RSI is so it's overbought, yes. So we expect sales. And second signal, what we can see is on MACD that volumes are dropping, but we have divergence, as you can see, yeah, like this. So price growing up, but volumes are dropping. So another signal on sell. And if we will switch also on big time frames, so let me show you. For example, 1 hour. Then how to switch? Yeah, like this. So these lines and one more. Oh, sorry. One more here. Basically, these are sell zone, as you can see here. Price dropping from these levels. So I don't want to predict something, but what I can see it's we can expect some downtrend from these lines. By the way, let me show you last month profit. So withdrawal, profit, yeah. So as you can see, account growing, everything is okay. And if you want, I can also include your account to copy trading. Everything is working, guys. Okay, hope this video was helpful for you. Maybe you can make some decision from your choice. So you can make decision from your own. As you can see, I'm showing you very good information what you can use in your future training. Hope this helps.